Then we have another topic, the coordinates geometry. So coordinate geometry has to do with coordinates. So you see, like sometimes you see in films, they will bring out the map and they are trying to locate coordinates for a certain point. So if you bring out a map of Nigeria, you want to know the coordinate between Enugu and Abuja and the rest. So this helps you in doing that. When we look at coordinate x from the x-axis and coordinate y from the y-axis, at the point at which they meet is what we have. You can say is the coordinate. Like here, you see 4 up to this point. This meeting point with 2 up to this meeting point. Where we have 4 and 2. So the coordinate at this point is where these two people they now meet. So we will have 4 coordinate 4 2, which is 4 here and then 2 here. We can locate another coordinate point. So if we want to locate this coordinate point here, we can take 2 and trace it to the y-axis. So this is all what we know about coordinates, which if you bring out the map of Nigeria, you can actually locate 2 different coordinates on the map. So coordinate geometry is a branch of geometry, and it's just where position of points on a plane. A plane can be just a flat level ground or a level map where you can see the different topographies on those maps. So you see that there's a difference is defined with the help of an ordered pair of numbers known as coordinates, like you can see in this case. So there's a point of coordinates here. So geometry is just all about that. So it's more like reading what these are all about. So that's why we say again, like I was pointing out, you see that these building blocks include undefined terms, defined terms, and postulates. So these are different locations. For instance, when you are looking at a coordinate from a building, you can use this to do that. So that's and then there is what we call system coordinates, or you call it coordinate system in mathematics. So it's just similar to what we have been saying, where numbers are used as coordinates for certain points in geography. So there's what we call the Cartesian coordinates. So the system of Cartesian coordinates is the most commonly used coordinate system in the world. So you have people in different fields that study coordinates using the Cartesian coordinates. So in 2 dimensions, this system consists of a pair of lines on a flat surface or a plane that intersect at right angles. So we can look at this and see that they intersect at this point. You know, we can say this point is the intercept of this diagram. So that's how to trace the Cartesian coordinates using the axis. So that's why I say the axes are usually drawn horizontally and vertically. So if you go back again, you will see that when you draw horizontally, you meet at this point. You draw vertically, you meet at this point. So the axis in play here, the x and the y axis. So that's for the Cartesian coordinate. Yes. So we now use this graph to illustrate the Cartesian coordinates. So when you take the horizontal level up to this point, you now take a vertical level to that point. You see that we have 2 and 3. So that point where 2 and 3 meets is what is called the Cartesian coordinate. So we can label this figure 1 and 2 to the coordinate systems in this under this topic. So that's why I say coordinate system is a mathematical method used to represent the position of points in the Cartesian coordinates. So there are different points of intersection which we have shown in the graph before, now this graph. So those different points can be both on the y and on the x axis, which is all of this. So we move to the next. Yeah.